Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to Jungle Boogie style earrings. That's right, Jungle Boogie. Stay tuned, but first hit the like, subscribe, but
I'm supposed to do that. Let's see if we can get 5K likes this video.
okay, so like I'm not even gonna scrap this because my is definitely the height. Say your portion.
What's up? Let's see if we can hit 5K likes on this video, and I'll see you next time. But one thing. Say hello. Guys, say hello to the little samurai.
Okay, as you heard it, hit the like and the subscribe button. This will give you a chance to enter to win these sexy, classy, junk style boogie earrings. Okay.
For free?
Yep, for free. All right. Y'all have a blessed one. Bye.
Follow you on Instagram or something like that.
Oh, God. Here's the finished product. I did not record the re-gluing the actual pieces onto the piece. I apologize, but I had technical difficulties. I finally found me adhesive E6000, but basically it's finally adhered. I'm letting it dry and everything. But as you can see, this is the final product. I think it looks gorgeous. What do you think? Different, cute, a little bit of sass and a little bit of class and a little bit of jungle boogie. I'm gonna say jungle boogie because it's wild and crazy. I love it. I think it's cute. It's adorable. One thing I do want to say about these pieces, gluing it on, is this. Because this is a resonated surface, you got to be specific about your glue, basically, because bonding it to that surface is going to be difficult in some cases. But if you have like the regular wood and you don't have a different type finish to it, like that gloss or shiny type stuff, then it'll probably work pretty good. But it was a little bit challenging to get the pieces to stick on there right because of the type of finish that the actual earring itself had. Yeah, just be mindful of your glue and what you're using and the types of surfaces you're trying to bond to, because not everything will bond to certain surfaces. So you have to be careful about picking up things that, you know, if you haven't worked with it before, which I didn't work, but I will be going back to my E6000 most definitely. All right guys, thank you. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and share. All right guys, I love you and thanks for visiting my channel. Have an awesome day. Bye.